AI Answer Pro is a game changer in the AI space, and today I'll show you 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're looking for cutting-edge AI software that can answer questions or provide valuable information quickly and efficiently, keep watching because I'll break it all down for you in just a few minutes. Plus, I've got something special for you. You can try this software completely free from the first link below. Let's dive right in. First up, AI Answer Pro has an incredibly fast and accurate response time. What sets it apart from similar tools is its ability to process and understand context much better. Whether you're asking complex questions or just need a quick answer, AI Answer Pro provides responses that are surprisingly accurate, and that's a big deal if you're relying on AI for information. Second, it's highly intuitive and user-friendly. One of the common issues with AI software is the learning curve, but with AI Answer Pro, you don't have to be a tech expert. The interface is sleek, and navigating through it feels like second nature. You can easily input your queries, and the AI does the rest. No complicated setup required. Even if you've never used AI software before, you'll find it incredibly easy to get started. Third, AI Answer Pro excels in understanding niche topics. If you need specialized information or have specific queries, AI Answer Pro provides answers tailored to your industry or area of interest. This isn't a one-size-fits-all tool. It's built to handle a wide range of questions, from general knowledge to deep niche subjects. This is a huge advantage for anyone in need of precise, high-quality information. Fourth, let's talk about the speed. AI Answer Pro processes queries faster than most other AI software on the market. Whether you're using it for customer support, research, or just answering basic questions, you'll notice how quickly it returns answers. The faster it works, the more time you save, and time is money, especially in today's fast-paced digital world. Fifth, AI Answer Pro is packed with customization options. You can tweak the software to better suit your needs, whether you want it to take a more formal tone or provide concise answers instead of detailed ones. This level of customization gives you control over the software's output, which is essential for creating a personalized user experience. Sixth, AI Answer Pro continuously improves. One of the best features is its machine learning algorithm that adapts and becomes smarter the more you use it. Over time, the software gets better at predicting what you need, which makes it even more effective. You're not just stuck with a static one-time solution. AI Answer Pro evolves alongside your needs. Finally, seventh, it's scalable. Whether you're an individual looking to get answers faster or a large business integrating AI into customer support, AI Answer Pro can scale to meet your needs. It's a powerful solution for businesses looking to enhance productivity or for anyone seeking high-quality AI assistance on a personal level. If you're thinking about trying out AI Answer Pro, you can grab a free trial right now from the link in the description. This is your chance to see firsthand how it can revolutionize the way you handle information and save you a ton of time. And before you go, if you're interested in exploring even more AI software, I've put together a list of my personal recommendations below. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I truly believe can make a difference in your digital marketing efforts. So don't forget to check out the links, give AI Answer Pro a try, and see how it fits into your digital toolbox. You won't regret it.